To put a hole in leather belt, you need an antenna piece either from a radio or a remote control. So we are putting that piece inside the hand drill, and first we will be sharpening the edge. So this way you put it on a sandpaper, and on the edge you keep running the drill and you check whether it is sharp enough. If it is not, then redo it. So this way you basically sharpen the edge so that it can put a hole inside a leather belt. So now the piece is ready to put a hole inside a leather belt, which is very difficult to do otherwise. Now you put the leather belt properly on a wood piece and see where you have to drill, and now you just simply drill it through like a wood piece. As you can see, the drill is going inside the leather very easily, and the hole is visible. Thank you.